here is from where we stopped from the other video, and for start creating rooms and everything, you press get started. Now this is an image, you have to click from the email. Now I'm going to do it, and this is what comes out when you click the button: username and password. Now you tell me, what is your username? Your username is the email address, your email address. So you write your email address and the password that he gave you. You press. Now it's nice, so you can do it. For me, I like to do it, but you don't need to do it by force. You click this one. Now remember username. Now if you are having the only person using this laptop or computer, it's good to do it because you will have less hassle to remember username, remember passwords and whatever. So it will log you on straight away. Like, I'm going to press login. I have to accept the terms and conditions. First you're supposed to read them, but you can read them in your own time. I already read it before, so I don't need to read it now. I accept the terms and conditions, and now I am actually in. Now let it load for some time, because it takes time. Even the first time it takes a little bit time to load. Now if you see, this is the platform for you can work. Now let's create a basic room so we can start using the program. Now here there is a create, you just click it, and here it's all the options that you want to do. Right now let's create a classroom so we can test it. You can even make a meeting room, and all of them you can choose. But for this example, let's write classroom. Now, the most important thing is this banner here. What is this one does? You can name the room. So for us, we can write it test room. Class ID, you don't need nothing from here, you need to change. Start time, the date and time you want to start this meeting room. This is all important. Now access. Now this is how the people going to access. If you want to enable the students and account members can enter in the room, it means some people have to be registered to enter. You can click this one, but for me I like to use this one, that people who are students and accounts, they are guest. So what is a guest? A guest is a user that no need to have an account with them, and he writes a name before to enter. Or a better way to, if you want to be a public room to everyone can enter, you can click this one. So anyone who has the URL that you send to them can straight away enter in the room. Now if it is you want a limited people to enter, use this one. So before they enter, they're going to tell you, listen, this person wants to enter, and you tell him to enter, or you tell him this one, to everyone who have the URL, it means he can enter. It means he can enter and enter in your meeting room. For me it doesn't make a difference because according to what you need. This one is a straightforward thing. So if you wanted this one, it's the same but has someone clicks and enters straight away. And this one has one button you have to tick to hit enter. So it's better we make this one to show you the clicking. And this ones we leave them empty. And here if you see there is a next button and a finish. If you press next there is a lot of steps, but we're going to press finish because the other steps we don't need to do them. Right now we have the name of the room and we have the URL. If we click this URL, the test room, and we are entering in the room. Now he's telling me to download because in this computer I don't have Adobeconnect application. So you just have to click connect. That one supposed in my desktop I have the connect software, double click and install, exit and refresh. Now open Adobeconnect and here we are entering in the actual room. Give it time to connect. And here is going to tell you what to do and what you can do. We don't need it and we close that one. I clicked the button below to don't come anymore. In the next video we're going to continue from here and teach you a lot of things what we can do from here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.